Hi there, this is Ramey over at MoneyByRamey.com coming at you today with an exciting new announcement. The second book in my series, the Simple series, is now available for purchase. So I'm going to go over today just real quick why I wrote that book, what you can hope to learn from it in purchasing it. If you're new to MoneyByRamey.com, we're here to teach financial freedom to the universe. We do this mainly through helping others build up their passive and active income sources. One of the greatest passive income sources I know of is dividend investing. In fact, I think it's so great that I have a whole dividend learning center here dedicated to help teaching you how to do this. Here you can live track my dividend portfolio. You can see how it's trending, see some of the best dividend stocks for 2019, and use the dividend income calculator. I'm going to actually create a video on this a little bit later to show you how to use this calculator. I'm actually working on a rebuild right now to add in a different calculation. So be on the lookout for that to come. Be sure to subscribe to our channel or our newsletter or both to make sure you stay tuned for the latest updates on that. But first off, again, without further ado, simple investing. The dividend investing strategy to grow your passive income is now available. I've been putting it on the site. I found this cool Amazon embed where you can come out here, preview the book, which gives you the ability to read the first I don't know, 20, 30 pages or something like that, just to see if it might be something that you're looking for. My goal was to take everything that I have accumulated in the Dividend Learning Center, as well as some of the posts that I've written about dividends, and put them into one book showing the execution of my strategy. I've been in self-investing my own dividend portfolio now for about 2.5 years or so, but it's really resulted from the culmination of 15 years of understanding the strategy, of really kind of beginning without a strategy, like a firm strategy of, hey, what do I do? How do I invest? What's the criteria I use? Taking some losses and then realizing, hey, I really got to figure this thing out. So in the book, I kind of go through my history, how I arrived at dividend investing, why I think dividend investing works for me and could possibly work for you as well, and then show you some examples of the dividend investing strategy in action. And as you can see, and I won't go through this in much detail, but this is the trend ever since I started live tracking my portfolio in 18, which coincides when I started up the site. So as you can see, this trend line has just been going up to where it's at today, a tad above $5,500 of annual dividend income. All of that's being reinvested right now through a drip program into accumulating more and more shares of the stocks that I own. And you can read more if you come out here to the Simple Investing. You can also see what you can hope to learn from Simple Investing. I tried to just do a quick little outline of what's in there, and there's more, but I didn't want to go into crazy amount of detail. I mean, if you want to learn dividends, this is what I think is a great place to start. And like I said, you can go out there and purchase this book. You hit this buy button, brings you over to Amazon. You can go ahead and look to purchase that. And if you are interested, I have also written another book, Simple Budgeting, where I take you through my budgeting process. It's an 8-step process on setting up a perfect budget. I did that back when I was in college after I had an overdraft fee. And I vowed to never have that again. I've never had issues with money ever since. So I look at, I wrote Simple Budgeting first because I believe that having that solid budgeting process in place is a first starting point to a great financial life. So definitely, if you want to learn dividends, come out here. Again, I try to put all my culmination of all my knowledge into this book thus far, and I'm sure I'll have more additions coming down the road with new learnings that I have. But I would definitely appreciate it if you'd buy it, leave me a solid, or not a solid review, but an honest review on Amazon. And just let me know what you think. Let me know what you liked about it, what you didn't. Maybe comment on YouTube on what you want me to look at writing about in the future. I have an idea of writing a book on how to achieve financial freedom, which might be coming out here in the next year or so. So be on the lookout for that. But if you want to come over here, this is something you can sign up for. Live Free and Div Hard, which is our newsletter across all of our social media channels and our newsletter. We have about 5,000 or so followers that are kind of getting our daily updates. So I'd love to put you on the list, keep you updated with everything. So come out here, fill it out. You can put your birth date in there if you want. Send you a nice little birthday wish. Yeah, so go ahead, do that. And then, as always, you can come out here and live track your dividend portfolio, how it's performing against the market. Right now, like, it's down a little bit. October's been a little bit rough for stocks. But the biggest thing, my biggest takeaway with the dividend investing strategy is I pretty much stay divorced from those market upswings and downswings, because when the market's on the upswing, I'm gaining appreciation in my positions, which means the market's valuing them higher. But then also from a dividend investing perspective, that's not that great because I'm not accumulating as many shares through the DRIP program. But if the market's going down and my positions of the companies haven't deteriorated, then that's actually a positive in my mind, because I'm accumulating more shares, so long as the dividend stays intact and the company's still on solid footing. So I think dividend investing is a great way to build a portfolio. That's how I personally am building mine. I make sure to try to stay diversified through all my positions. So again, this is everything that you can learn in simple investing. So if you want, come over here, simple series. On the drop down menu. Again, you can preview it, see if you like it, go ahead and hit that buy button. So hopefully it provides value to you. Hopefully it can be something that can give you a good starting point. If you have any questions at all on the book, dividend investing, a financial question, reach out to me anytime. I mean, this is my personal email. I check it. I always want to respond to anybody that has a question, and I'll look to do my best to do that. So, or you can follow us across these social media channels too and interact with me on there. I'm most active on Twitter, but I'm also in a lot of Facebook dividend groups as well. So, with that being said, again, I just want to give you an intro to what simple investing was, why I wrote it, why I think you could benefit from making the investment and the purchase. If you got any questions, reach out to me. This is Ramey. See you later.